I would like to say, if you are interested in buying one of these Thomas and Clarabel, at the moment they are a really low price, really cheap, for $7.88 at Walmart. If you have a chance, go to Walmart and see the prices. And that's because I think the new Merc is coming soon, the new models, so they need room to get rid of these models, whatever they have in stock on Walmart, so they can put a new toys. And if you get a chance to get one of Thomas and Clarabel, you can do something unique, like painting in golden Thomas, and make a custom model engine that it looks really nice and stands out. You know, it's not that everybody can have, but you can do at home. I already show you the process. You can watch the video right here on top, right here, so you can have an idea. There are two videos actually. I made Annie Clarabel and Golden Thomas, or you can search on my channel Golden Thomas or Golden Annie and Clarabel and make your own. Now it takes time, and here is one sample. I used to say always wait for the paint to dry, because as you can see right here, there is a little mark. That's a masking tape mark, because I just gave this set like an hour to dry. Because of the glossy paint is still a little bit wet, it takes a long time to dry. I recommend you to wait 4 to 6 hours so you don't have this same problem. But other than that, I think it looks really awesome and looks really nice, and I think you can achieve the better results at home if you try to do this. And here's the sample I made. The whole set looks really awesome. Instead of paying 200 or 300 bucks to getting one of those from Thailand or China or wherever you find in Japan, I think you can do one at your home. And actually I'm gonna make one of those Tomy or Hitoi company old Trackmaster model, because I don't like Trackmaster 2, but I saw an opportunity to make a Golden Thomas. That's what I did it, to do something different, something that nobody can have it, you know, so you can do this too and get a better results than me maybe. And it takes time, but it's a good project and that you can try. So anyways, here is a kind of announcement. I'm gonna take a break for 3 days, so I'm not gonna post anything. I will try to not post anything because I can't hold myself of filming. But anyways, the only thing is I will put probably unboxing videos during the next couple of days maybe, but I'm gonna try to hold myself, you know. So no more videos until next Monday. So I'm gonna take 3 days because I have a lot of work to do, a lot of projects, and there is one project right there, and I hope you get an idea what I'm gonna try to do. So it's just a project anyways. So I hope you like whatever you see on my channel and have learned something, and I will come back on Monday with new videos. And I gotta finish a lot of repairs that our friends send me, but I'm really behind. And since I'm still fixing your models, please do not send a lot. Only send me something that you know, is something that I haven't done for, you know. But anyways, just keep sending. Anyways, I will try, but here's the thing, you gotta wait. There is a lot of things to do and that I have to do, and I need time for me to, you know. So that's pretty much. Thanks for watching. Over and out.